On the love line with Dr. Love. Yeah, Dr. Love here, and I'm back in session. Always good to be amongst my many constituents, my public, my many followers. As usual, we have an open forum today. It's good to be back amongst my public, and open forum as usual. And if we have any calls online, call in because you got a little bucked up problems, your bucked up life, and them scalawags drag you to the bottom of the ravine, and you need some advice from the good love doctor. Because the love doctor see it all. Ain't up in school. The love doctor got knowledge on his brain. It's the stone. But the love doctor see it all. See, scalawags, motherfucking traps. I'm here to relieve you, boy. Do we have any calls online? Do we have any calls? We have a caller. Spit, caller, spit.
How you doing, Dr. Love? Listen, G, I got a bit because, yeah. I was listening to your show. I'm a very big fan of yours.
Thank you.
I like your style, Love Doctor, because you're a bad motherfucker. You keep it raw. You keep it raw. Anyway, I just want to let you know, Love Doctor, I have a question. Well, this is a concern, and I know that you got all the answers because, like I said, you're a bad motherfucker. Anyway, what do you think about this, Love Doctor? Now, I'm dealing with these motherfucking, as you would call them, trick trap motherfucking motherfucking scallywags. And I've recently found my one diamond. You know what I mean? I found the diamond, Dr. Love. And so I've been, like you said, been trying to shed these motherfucking scallywags because I had a bunch of motherfuckers down here. Because, I was in the sea, doc, and I was doing my own motherfucking thing. I was looking for the diamond. And all these hoes trying to be posing a diamond over here, diamond over there, diamond that motherfucker well. And
I know.
Like you say, they drove me to the bottom of the motherfucking ravine. And my question to you, Love Doctor, but they was trying to take me out, Love Doctor. But I'm a strong motherfucker. I learned to breathe under motherfucking mud. Anyway, I have to interject that because, like I said, in search of all that, in the midst of all this bull crap, I finally, stumbled upon the diamond. Like when you give up, like you said, like when it's like like damn Reno, he got all the rings to me, but he got all the records in the book, but he ain't got that one big prize, that ring. Well, I gave up, G, and out of nowhere, here comes this motherfucking monstrosity. This motherfucker right here, G. This motherfucker's beautiful, G. You guys see this motherfucker, dog. And I like beautiful women.
I feel you.
This motherfucker beautiful, way beyond skin deep. This motherfucker right here, dog. I was talking to her one day, G. She told me, she said, look, let's get something straight. My ex-husband, he did nothing. I did everything. I painted the house, I cut the grass, I washed the cars, I did the plumbing.
True diamond.
The toothbrush, I breakfast in bed. Whatever he wanted,
I need to get up on that.
Provided, because I want him to know that I'm all he needs. And when I listen to crap, I said, this motherfucker got to be kidding me, G. Ain't no female on this motherfucking level. Surely she's exaggerating. But G, so it caught my attention. So dog, I went up this motherfucker like 90 going motherfucking wins. I said,
you supposed to.
Let this motherfucking win. So dog, it took me like about a year and a half to catch this motherfucking corral, this motherfucker, dog.
Get out.
Like I say, like you say, that deep sea fishing, for the marlins back then, the motherfucker big ass pole between your legs, and that the motherfucker go way back. Look at that motherfucker coming out the water, G. This motherfucker, dog, I was weary like a motherfucker. Finally got this motherfucker close to the motherfucking boat and hit that motherfucking head with a motherfucking club, caveman style. So I couldn't let the motherfucker get away. This motherfucker, dog, is a monstrosity. A bad motherfucking girl. That's what I keep interjecting. That's what she did. Anyway, I finally caught this motherfucker, dog. That's love. And she wouldn't lie to you. Everything she told me. Dog, let's get some straight to you. I'm a bad motherfucker. And like I said, I thrive on bad girls. And like I say, I've been in the sea scallywag for so long. I was ready from the motherfucking journey, stumbling from one sea hag to another motherfucking scallywag. You get weary.
You do get weary.
Here comes the motherfucking real motherfucking McCoy, the Brazilian. G. I caught the Brazilian, G. And it was all that she said it was. This motherfucker feed me breakfast in bed. This motherfucker waiting on me, motherfucking hand and foot, dog. I ain't like that, dog. Hand and fucking foot. Toothpaste on the toothbrush, like she said. Dog, we go the freaking bar, G. We are some wangs and things. Look, we in buttons, right? In Addison. On belt line. We are some wangs and motherfucking things, G. This motherfucker here, dog. This motherfucker pops the motherfucking napkin, put it up on my lap, pop another napkin, put it up on my shirt, and this motherfucker dog took out the knife and fork and gets the fuck out that motherfucker, the wings and thing. I'm sitting there, dog, and then there's a big ass motherfucking place, G. This place is packed. This motherfucker commenced motherfucker dissecting the fuck out this motherfucking wings with a knife and fork.
Get out.
Never touching no food with hands.
Facts,
Never
facts,
touching
bro.
food. Dog, this motherfucker cut this motherfucker up, dog, and fed me like a motherfucking baby, G. And you know, and all these motherfuckers in this motherfucker, G. I mean, all eyes on me, and I ain't playing, G. I ain't playing.
Like your style, bro.
On MJ motherfucking beat. So anyway, Dr. Love, I mean, these motherfuckers gawking like a motherfucker. These motherfuckers,
Boy.
the dudes gawking like
Boy.
a motherfucker. It's this motherfucking
Get out.
monstrosity. And the females, this motherfucker, who is this motherfucking beast?
Scallywag.
And why is he treating him like this? What the fuck is, I mean, fuck her. Don't look over there, because I'm not going to ever do that to you, because you ain't no motherfucking invalid. That's what they telling they man. I can watch the football, and they, I mean, I can feel the eyes like burning holes from every direction, because, I mean, like that motherfucking inferno. I mean, all eyes on motherfucking me. And anyway, I mean, I'm a bad motherfucker, dog. Anyway, but now, you know, I fell in love with the Brazilian G, and the Brazilian fell in love with me. And when the Brazilian love, this motherfucker, she will lie, G. This motherfucker love hard, dog.
Like your style.
Her love is true motherfucking blue. She don't spray. I mean, this motherfucker, you talk about a straight motherfucking arrow. This motherfucker straight, this motherfucking arrow.
True diamond.
This motherfucker is straight. Don't venture from the big
True
motherfucking path.
motherfucking diamond.
When you catch this motherfucking dog, you got you the real motherfucking McCoy. Because let's get something straight. Them hoes out there, them scalawags out there, you can trust them motherfuckers for you can motherfucking thrust them motherfuckers. I said it, I said it. Fuck it.
Yeah.
Fuck you.
Calm down, calm down.
I'm talking about you motherfuckers.
Calm down.
Motherfucking way. All you motherfuckers. Now the motherfuckers, look at these. Now the motherfuckers coming around now. These motherfuckers coming around and they trying to break me and the Brazilian apart.
Man, they gonna do that.
The Brazilian, you know, they got the Brazilian stressed out. But look, I don't give a motherfucker. I'm talking like you, Dr. Love.
Calm down.
How do I separate myself from Scalawag? Because every now and then, you know, I like the, I mean, I'm just bad, okay? So, but how do I become straight as an arrow like the Brazilian? That's my question to you, T. I mean, can I even, I mean, because I come from a long line of motherfucking hoes. My daddy was a motherfucking hoe. My mom was a motherfucking hoe. All my motherfucking nieces, nephews, aunts, uncles, all these motherfuckers hoes. All my motherfucking know. But don't fall far from the truth. I can't help being bad. I've been a motherfucking hoe. It was thrust upon me. Genetics. So, once again, Dr. Love, I just want to know, because I don't want to lose Brazilian, how do I become a one woman's man? Because Brazilian is all, I mean, I'm in love with this motherfucker, but I'm just bad. So, can you help me? And can you please help me to become all she needs me to be? I just want to please help me, Dr. Love. Because I know you got all the motherfucking answers, because you're a bad motherfucker, Dr. Love. I mean, you're just a bad motherfucker.
Thank you.
Bad, Dr. Love. That's all I want to know. Can you freaking help me? Thank you. Bye.
Let's get some straight, Kyla. Boy, I like your motherfucking style. And you're right, G. I mean, it's genetics. I mean, apple don't fall far from the tree. Your mama was a hoe. Your daddy was a hoe. You said it yourself. You know, I'm not trying to beat up on you or anything like that. You know, you're a long line hoe. And now it might be next to impossible for you to ever be a freaking man. You know what I mean? Look, it's genetics. I mean, you answering your own freaking questions, son. I mean, you're just a bad motherfucking seed. And, you know, even bad seeds, you know, opposites attract. Opposites attract. That's just a natural art of things, you know what I mean? But let's get something straight, G. I mean, you got to keep them sea hags off your motherfucking job. You know, you don't want to lose a Brazilian, but let's get something straight, G. Women love the bad guy. I mean, you got the Brazilian. She ain't going to motherfucker world. She ain't going nowhere because you breaking that motherfucker down. Do you, boy? I mean, have fun. You know how far to go. Hey, look, let me tell you something, G. That's why I don't fall in love with the motherfucking hoes. I've got a diamond too, and since it's almost like identical to your diamond, it might be sister. So anyway, and she Brazilian too. Like that one. It's kind of strange. But anyway, I know what you mean. now, you guys just get the motherfucking scalawags off your motherfucking job, G. because they ain't worth the Brazilian. See, they not. You know what I mean? So I won 2 diamonds, like I say, Dan Marino, and break every record in the freaking book. I'll break it, and never get the motherfucking prize, the ring. That's what it's all about, G. I would not have a record and have the motherfucking ring. You know what I mean? Fuck it. So I'm telling you, hang on to the freaking Brazilian. Everything gonna be all right, G. Just hang on to the Brazilian. Do you have fun? And let the Brazilian know, look, I'm bad. I'm born. You know I'm bad. So if you can't help, and I ain't playing. She ain't going nowhere, G. The diamonds love hard because it's hard to get rid of motherfuckers, G. You can't get rid of motherfuckers, dog. You start, the worse you treat them, the more the motherfuckers love you. And they just can't, they can't help themselves. It's just the way it is, G. But, she's number one. And don't try not to hurt her too bad, though, G, because, I know you love your diamond because I love the fuck out of my diamond. That's all I got to say about that, G. Hopefully I answered the question. So, like I said, do you, man? But, just try to keep the scalawags at bay, man. Don't let them get next to the freaking Brazil, man. Keep away from freaking Brazil, G. Like I said, well, you better be kidding. Y'all have a blessed day. On the love line with Dr. Love. Yeah.